Hello friends. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into operators in C language, one of the most important topics for beginners. You will understand what operators are, how they work, and I'll show you real C programs to demonstrate each type. So let's get started. Operators are special symbols used to perform operations on variables and values. C supports many operators. There are different types of operators in C, including arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment, decrement operators, bitwise operators, conditional, ternary, operator, special operators. Let's understand some important operators. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used for basic math operations like addition, subtraction, etc. Here the arithmetic operators symbols that are used in program. Let's see example of some operators for better understanding. Here we take two values and doing multiple maths operation using arithmetic operators. Let's run it. Here the answers of the operations. Now let's see the next operator, assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. Here the assignment operators symbols that are used in program. Let's see example for better understanding. Here we take two values and assign the different values to variable b using assignment operators. Let's run it. And here the output. If you did not understand the output of program, I have explained using comment to show you how it works. Pause the video and understand it. Now let's move to the next operator, relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare values. These operators are used in if, else and loops. Here the relational operators symbols that are used in program. Let's see example. Here we take two values and compare the values using relational operator. Let's run it, and hear the output. If the operation is true, then 1 print in output, and if false, then 0 print in output. Now let's move to the next operator, logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions. Here the logical operators symbols that are used in program. Let's see example. Here we take two values and combine the two condition using logical operators. Let's run it, and hear the output. Now let's move to the next operator, increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement operators are used to increase or decrease the value of a variable by 1. Here the increment and decrement operators symbols that are used in program. Let's see example. Here we take two values and increase and decrease the value of a and b variable using increment and decrement operators. Let's run it, and hear the output. Now let's move to the next operator, conditional, ternary, operator. Conditional operator is also known as ternary operator. Ternary operator is shortcut of if-else condition. Here the syntax of ternary operator used in program. Let's see example. Here we take input value from user and use ternary operator to give the condition. Then if the condition is true, it executes the first part, and if false, it runs the second part. Let's run it, and hear the output. That's it for today's video on operators in C language. I hope you now feel confident with all the types of operators and how to use them into C programs. If you have any doubts in this, drop comment, I will help you. And if you learned something new today, make sure to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more interesting and informational programming videos. Thanks for watching.